So over here, you can see that I got some blocks right here. So you can see that I got this divider block and so forth. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and delete out this block. In that case, you can simply go ahead and click on this particular dots right here and then choose delete, and the block is deleted, as you can see, just like that. You can go ahead and, let's say for example, select this particular block, simply click on it, and then over here you can go around and delete it, as you can see right here. You can also click the block and then press the delete key on your keyboard, and the block gets deleted just like that. Let me just go ahead right here and let's press Ctrl Z to bring out the blocks back right here, just like this. So you can rearrange it out, of course. You can go ahead and add in the blocks right here, but if you don't want it, simply click right here and then click on delete, just like that. And that is simply how you can go ahead and delete out the blocks inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.